Hello traders, it's Peter Thompson, Senior Trader 1 Billion Signal sponsored by Merit Forex. Today we're gonna speak about how and why we're using lines and shapes in our charts. Usually I love to use lines and shapes because it's giving me better picture on the market, what to follow of course, and I am usually using the horizontal lines in order to spot the reversal and the major levels of the particular instrument. As you can see in front of us, it's euro dollar 1 hour chart. From the menu insert, you can see we have different, of course, tools from MetaTrader 4. We have lines, we have channels, Fibonacci's, shapes, arrows. I personally use mostly lines and shapes because I don't trade without any indicators. So from the lines tab, you can see you have vertical and horizontal and trend lines. So by using horizontal lines, we can easily mark the most important levels on the chart. Resistance and support lines, round numbers, as you want to use it. It's absolutely up to you. So after that, from the lines we have trend line. We want to, let's say, to draw some trend line on the chart, to follow it very carefully. So we can use it like this. By double clicking on the line, you can see you're selecting the line. Right click and you can delete it. Exactly the same way we delete the horizontal and vertical lines. When it comes to shapes, you can see shapes we have rectangle, triangle and ellipse. I love to use rectangle in order to mark usually ranges or a rectangle when the price is going in such a price action. Like here right now, euro dollar is actually respecting very well the support and the resistance lines. So if we zoom out a little bit, we can see actually the bigger picture of this particular currency pair. If you want to delete it, again, double click, right click, delete, and you're deleting the rectangle. Thank you very much for watching. Below the video you can see the links of our social media channels. Subscribe to our Instagram, YouTube or Twitter. You're more than welcome. If you like the video, thumbs up of course. We're waiting for your comments below the video. Thank you very much.